Hi guys, it's Simon here from Simon Dodd Marketing, and I've got a little bit of an off-topic video here that I'm putting out. I recently, well, about a year ago I finished building a Tesla coil, but I recently got it fully up and running properly. And for those of you that don't know what a Tesla coil is, it's best just have a look at the video and you'll see exactly what one is. And for those of you that know what my Tesla coil is, I think you'll be pretty impressed with the stages it's come to these days. We've got 42 centimetre sparks, which means 1 million volts. Yeah, 1 million volts, people. So have a look at this little video and I hope you enjoy it.